Alright, there's no missing these guys now. I know you've got to be able to hear them. And they're going all over the place, man. Every time you see one flying, a little black thing go by, that's a robin. It's pretty cool. Here's some more of them go. They're all up in the trees, and as I was saying, you can look at my Bradford pear tree, and it has been stripped completely dry. There are no berries left on it. They have eaten all of them. You can see a couple of them still in there getting the very few that's left. So nobody can say I don't feed all of my birds. Thanks, everybody.